actually going to have them try one of the dessert back home that a lot of people find it weird, but to us it tastes really good. So, you guys want to guess what it is? It is ice cream inside of bread.
It's ice creamy.
Yes.
Ice cream and bread?
Yes, ice cream with bread. Are you guys ready for ice cream and bread? Ice creamy. You are right. Ice cream in Tongan is ice creamy. And what is bread in Tongan? Ma. All right, good job. So let's go ahead and get this started. So it's super simple. All we have to do is get a piece of bread, cut it, put ice cream inside, and I'll let you guys try it. Just think about like... Just think about like, you know how you guys have ice cream, what is the one that you guys have? That it's like ice cream sandwich. It's pretty much the same.
Except that it's not chocolate.
They're all made from the same thing, right? So just think about it as ice cream sandwich, okay? This is the Tongan ice cream sandwich. Boom! Ice cream with bread. Let's go. What? Saniva, come on.
How do Tongans eat this? It actually kind of sounds disgusting. Yeah. As long as this bread is not expired, I think I'm fine.
It's not expired, you guys. So, moment of truth.
Let's hope our ice cream isn't melting, because I don't know if any of you guys put it in the refrigerator.
No, it's not.
No.
It's it.
Refrigerator.
Neva, look, moment of truth.
That's
Ice
hard.
cream
And it's new.
and bread. All right, so
I eat bread.
simple.
I eat
So
bread.
that way we're not wasting it, but trust me, you guys are gonna love it. Here you got a piece of bread like this size. Then you're gonna pop it open.
Ice cream. I want to be the first to try it.
Here, look.
I want to try it first.
Tell me if you like this. Let me know. Look at this. All right, so tell me if you like this.
I hope the ice cream doesn't go between my teeth. I hope the ice cream doesn't go in between my teeth because it hurts.
It's ice cream.
Give it to me. I need
No,
to test
Angela
it.
is
I'm
gonna
gonna try first.
Angela's gonna
In
test
case
it.
you don't like it, and then you
Look.
what?
All right, here we go. Let's see, Angela, right here. Angela, go ahead. Try it, Angela.
I'm not scared.
It's not. Angela. What do you think? Let everybody know. What do you think?
It just tastes like ice cream, but it's thick.
Yeah.
It just tastes like ice cream that's
You want to
thick.
taste it, Neva? Don't just eat just the ice cream. You're gonna eat it with the bread. Take a bite.
Actually, it's pretty good.
What? Angela, say what?
It's pretty good when you eat it at first, but then at the end, it's like the bread gives a weird taste at the end.
What do you think, Neva? Can I see your mouth? Yeah, you have ice cream in your mouth and bread? Do you like it? Are you sure? Okay, bite on. What do you think, Angela? So, out of 10, what do you want to give it a 10 out of 10 or what?
7.5.
7.5. What about you, Suneva?
Wait, no, actually 8.5.
Neva?
I want 100 point.
What? So that's a 10.10 high five. Woohoo! Would you eat this again? Yeah?
So yummy.
It's so yummy? Why are you saying so yummy and you're not really like me?
Sugar.
It's sugar. All right, you guys. So I guess the girls loved it. So we're just gonna have to convince their daddy to try this.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you for watching. So make sure you hit like and subscribe for more videos like this because we're gonna try some other food that
What?